Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravindran Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology. Today we have to discuss the ecology concept and scope. First of all, this term was coined by the scientist name is retired in 1869, and the Ernest Haeckel, that is a German biologist scientist, who say that the ecology, that word is derived from the Greek word, or that एकस meaning of housing, house or dwelling. Okay, म्हणजे means house, घर, and logos means study. Ecology is the scientific study of how living organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment, that is the ecology. इकॉलॉजी म्हणजे काय की एक ऑर्गॅनिझम दुसऱ्या ऑर्गॅनिझम सोबत इंटरॅक्ट होते आणि तो ऑर्गॅनिझम पर्यावरणासोबत इंटरॅक्ट होते, यालाच काय म्हटलं ते इकॉलॉजी. म्हणजे ऑर्गॅनिझमचं रिलेशनशिप कोणासोबत, पर्यावरणासोबत, दॅट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज इकॉलॉजी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दी हकेल्स in 1869 say that the total relationship of animal to both its organic as well as inorganic environment, that is nothing but the ecology. The ecology is the science of the relation of all organisms in relation to all their environment. Or according to the Odom in 1969, as the study of interrelationship between the organism and environment, that is nothing but the ecology. Okay, then their level of organization, individual म्हणजे single species study, that is also called as individual. The basic level of organism start with the individual, single plant, single animal, single bird. Here example we take here capital one, single A, that is the individual. Population means collection of individual. We can see that at a specific area there are the tiger also present in that forest, that is the collection of individual or tiger, that is the way. Here example another capital many capital A, that is the population. Community means here it is a made up of different population of interacting plant, animal, microorganism within the defined geographical area, or different population living together in an area, that is also called as community. Here the capital A, capital B, capital C, that nothing but the communities. Then level of organization, species, group of organization, of population, a group of individual. Then community, different group of population. Ecosystem means collection of both community as well as abiotic in a particular certain area, that is also called as ecosystem. The bio means a group of ecosystem that is that have the same climatic condition, that is also called as biomeans. The way from the species to the biomean, that is the level of organization. There are two types: ecology, ecology. Study of single species, that is ecology. Lion, there are number of lion in a forest, that is ecology. Ecology, study of community, multiple species, rabbit, lion, tiger, that is individual different species living in a forest, that is called as ecology. According to the base of habitat, ecology divided into the according to base of habitats. Terrestrial, aquatic. Study of relationship between the abiotic and biotic factor on the land, also terrestrial. In case of the ocean or sea, marine ecology, study of biotic between the biotic and abiotic. And in case of freshwater, study of lake or river between the biotic and abiotic factors. That is the these are the types. Okay, the next ecology, abiotic factor, biotic factor. Abiotic means non-living thing, for example climate factor. Here the light, temperature, water, these are the most important factor, or rainfall. Then topography, this is the abiotic factor, altitude, latitude, slope. And the edepic, that is the abiotic, that is soil, pH or nutrient. Then biotic factors means the living thing, autotrophs decompose. Producer, that is the autotrophs, self produce their food itself own, that is the autotrophs. Heterotrophs means they depend upon the autotrophs or consumer, we can say that. And decomposer means plant, animals, it decomposes or make soil fertile, that is the decomposer. Okay, then explain the trophic and consumer level. The producer means green plant, herbivorous means cow, they eat the green plant. Product in herbivorous, that is the milk and lactobacillus. And then carnivorous, they feed on the milk, lactobacillus, cow and green plant, that is the carnivorous. Human here, trophic level 3 or consumer level 2. Decomposes we already explained. This is the most important role played because why? The soil most fertile. And then competition means the survival of life in living organism for the same species or different species, or various factor. फूड साठी कॉम्पिटिशन होते, सेक्स साठी होते, स्पेस साठी होते, लाईट साठी होते, और प्रोटेक्शन साठी. These are the various factors they are responsible for the competition of living organism of same or different species for survival of life. Then Gauss's principle, according to this number of two species or number of two organisms can coexist in a single niches from long time. The Gauss's exclusive experiment used in two steps, that is the Paracium or Paramecium quadridium. Here म्हणजे इथं गॉजेस जे प्रिन्सिपल आहे याचं प्रिन्सिपल कसं होतं की ज्यावेळेस एक स्पीसीज असेल ती एका सर्टन लेवलपर्यंत डेव्हलप होईल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पॅरामेशियन ऑरिला हे एका सर्टन लेवलपर्यंत डेव्हलप झाली. दुसरी स्पीसीज घेतली एक ती एका सर्टन फॉर पॅरामेशियम क्वाड्राटम ती एका सर्टन लेवलपर्यंत. ज्यावेळेस दोन्ही स्पीसीज एकमेकाला कॉम्पीट करतील तर एक स्पीसीज कशी होईल, रेज होईल, एक स्पीसीज कशी होईल, बिलो होईल. दिस थर्ड डायग्राम शो दॅम. दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द गॉजेस प्रिन्सिपल. Then last point, that is the scope of ecology. Ecology also to give the knowledge of for the environment protection. One another thing is to balance the ecological system. Okay, and to study the different cycle in ecology: nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, water cycle. It is also used scope for ecology is in human welfare, conservation and agriculture method. This is all about the concept and scope of ecology. Thank you everyone.